Question, 5 in the middle. Question number 1. Question. Cold, number 3. Baron. You got it. 20 points, Baron. We have a finish this and the next. I'll start other than the first word. You finish that one and the next. Finish this and the next. Finish this and the next. Question number 2. Question. For the waters. Number 1, Baron. What? For the waters.
For the waters were upon the feet of the waters and the pool. It's any different.
Nice try.
On. You don't have it upon. I was going to double check it. And then he recorded his hand and confirmed ordering and Good try, Baron.
Good try, Baron.
Probably go sitting back for a reference question. A reference question. Question number 3 is a reference. Question. According to chapter 1 and verse 8. Number 5. Josh.
Dark hole from heaven.
Question is.
You got it. Good job.
4. Josh and Harry. And we have another general. For number 4. Everybody's back in. Number 1 and number 1. It's a general. Question number 4. Question. Just a vowel. All right. Vowel for the probability. Question number 4. Question. Hit it. Number 3. Karen. How are you going to say it? What? You're good job.
COLLINGDALE.
Okay, a general for number 5. Number 1. Question number 5. Question. Abram, number 5. Abram, do the job there. Abram. Some more. Some more. Some more. Okay. Alright. We have the one was 75 people out here. Good try.
Nice try.
Good try, man. I'll go sitting back and finish the verse. Finish the verse. Question number 6. Question. What? Of the fruit. Come on. You're right.
Good job.
Time out, COLLINGDALE. And Steve. Yeah, they both have answers, so figure the rest out.